In number 3, that's where we left off. We were talking about inscribed angles.
Sure.
No.
Inscribed starts at the end.
So, it says find the measure of arc JK. So we're trying to find this length here. Oh boy. Alright, we're trying to find JK here. What do we know about an inscribed angle and its arc?
It's times
Is it the same or times 2?
Times 2.
Times 2. It's the same as its central angle, but we're not at the central angle. We're on an inscribed angle because it starts on the edge of the circle. So if this inscribed angle is that a 38?
Yeah.
How would we figure out JK? Okay, what is 38 times 2?
76.
76 degrees. Alright. So see if you can figure out number 4 then, when you're given the arc and you're trying to find the inscribed angle.
Oh, I know.
This should be a math conversation. What?
Damn, man.
What is this angle?
32.
How'd you find it?
divided by 2.
64 divided by 2, or times 1/2, gave you 32 degrees. Okay, what about number 5? It wants us to find angle RAM. So we're looking for this distance. There's actually a couple different ways. Us math teachers actually all did it in a different way, so it's kind of interesting.
What? Not much my Thursday.
Shows all the ways.
Will somebody tell me a way? Alright, the way I did it is I said, well, this angle over here has to be half of this. So what's half of 112? 112 divided by 2 gives us... Okay, that was a little scary.
112 divided by 2 is...
No, 112.
Oh.
112. So then I knew a straight line was how many degrees?
180.
So then I did 180 minus 56, which is what?
124.
So then I found that angle to be 124 over there. What did Miss Beamer do? She did figuring out the rest of this arc here, and then divided it by 2. Anybody else have a different way?
What you just said sounds like a lot of extra work.
How do you know that's a straight line?
I guess you just have to assume it's a straight line. If it's going through one point, it's probably a tangent.
What?
Okay, side conversations need to be done, Aiden. Alright, number 6. I'm going to give you a second to see if you can figure it out on your own. Here's my work.
Oh, I did do that.
2 times the inscribed angle equals the arc. I solved for x and got 12. Make sure, this is a notation thing, you don't have a degree symbol on this x. Because this is not a degree, it's just a value of x. Once you know what x is, you can plug it in. For x. So 9 times 12 is 108. Minus 7 was 101. That one does need a degree symbol, because we're talking number of degrees. Okay, so the main thing you need to remember from 10.3 is that a central angle is equal to its arc angle, but an inscribed angle is half of its arc measure. Are we good with 10.3? We're going to look at 10.4. All right.
Yeah, I'll bring the Delta map.
So,